Hello. We are working on Raspberry Pi. So this is Raspberry Pi security and IoT project where we are having a security system which is a door lock system here, and we will be opening that door lock only when there is an authorized person who is being recognized from the camera is present in front of the door. So we will run the process and I'll show you the output. So if I'm sitting in front of it, so let me first get to the actual file. So this is my file. I'm storing it as new.py. So when I run this one, it automatically captures my face when a sensor IR sensor is activated. So we have an IR sensor over here. If this gets activated, then only it will start camera. So I'll run this code and I'll capture my image. Once I run this one, so it will start working, and it will also give you the sensor values. We are using a couple of sensors here. One is our fog sensor, gas sensor, and temperature sensor actually. So as you can see, the temperature and gas values are being printed on the screen. So let me put an obstacle in front of it, which means that I'm standing in front of the camera. So when I put my hand in front of it, it starts capturing my face. So once it captured my face, you can notice that it just closed the door and again it opened up. So we'll see again once more. So when I close it and open, you will be able to notice that the door will get closed and opened on its own. So let me remove the obstacle again. First I'll have to restore it. So now you can see the data values are being retrieved again. So this just not only got the security system, this also got the home automation system as well, which means we are actually controlling any kind of appliances through mobile application. We are using a mobile application to control them. So let me show it again so you can observe it closely. When I run this particular file and stand in front of the camera and the sensor gets activated, then only the system will start. So let me do it again, and you will be able to notice that this particular thing will be turned on, and it will get turned off after a couple of seconds. That is how we are writing the code. So I am putting hand in front of it, and let me stand in front of the camera. Yes. So this is how it works actually. This is all about the security system. So if somebody else who is not registered, okay, with us is being in front of the camera, then the system will itself will send an image or the information which says that there is somebody who is not authorized is sitting in front of the camera and trying to get into the house or something. So I'll ask one of my friends to sit in front of the camera once. Please go ahead. So as he is not registered, when he is sitting in front of the camera, we'll have to so all right. So when somebody who's not authorized is sitting in front of the camera, let us see what happens here. So it started taking the values actually, which is temperature and gas values. But when we are activate the sensor, then it starts capturing the image of that person. So as you can see, it just started capturing the image of that person. Not just capturing, okay, it also sends an email. We have sent an email which is saying that the person is unknown, and which is a warning email to us, which was sent here. As you can see, the first mail which says it was coming from a particular mail ID which says unknown person is entering probably at some point of time. So this is how the entire system works. This is actually the security system. When we are talking about the Blynk, which is an application which we are using to control the home appliances, I'll show you how does that work and how do we operate all kind of appliances through the Blynk app. I'll show you how do you log in to that particular. As you can see, this is Blynk. So I have got my mobile application. So when you run a command, you'll be able to see that I can operate my relays. Okay, these are the relays which is connected to the security system and as well as any of the appliances as well. Here in my case, I'm connecting an appliance which is like a fan over here, and also a relay which is kept at the door. So if somebody is trying to get the entry who might not be registered with you, you can even give them remote access through your mobile application. So let's say this particular thing, if you're turning that thing on, please turn it on. So you'll be able to notice it just got turned on. So if you press off, then it automatically releases the lock. So this way you can open the door and close the door manually as well. Also, if you'd like to turn on any fan or anything, you can just click on this button. You'll be able to notice the fan gets turned on. Please turn it off. All right. So similarly, you can connect any number of devices based on the configuration which we are doing here. And this currently is running the Blynk cloud. You can come out of the Blynk cloud. So this is a couple of applications which we are doing, which is like an integration with a single Raspberry Pi. Thank you very much.